What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So right now I'm at a car wash. Car's getting washed right now. So today what basically I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a little install review type of thing. I went ahead and I got me a hold on guys, I got me a 180 degree thermostat. So I am gonna install this right now. So right now I'm at the car wash. I've been driving obviously to get here, and right now, if you guys can see, let me get you in there, that is my temp right now. That is my coolant temp. So that's usually about how the car sits at on a regular basis. So when I'm driving, it'll sit at about in the 200s, like 210, 215. Now when it gets really hot, I've seen it go up to about 222, you know, so on and so forth. So it gets pretty hot. So I bought this one just to cool it down a little bit. I've seen it goes to about 185, 190. Yeah, so I got that just to cool down the temp of the car a little bit. Like I said, it'll help a little bit. I don't really know, it's not gonna give you no like actual like gains, no, you know, you're not gonna get no horsepower out of it. I doubt you're gonna get any MPG, you know, improvements or anything like that. It's just overall, for me, in my eyes, just better for the engine. I know you can get a 160 degree thermostat, but I feel like that'll be too cold. You know, I don't want the engine to be too cold, because these engines, are supposed to kind of run kind of hot. So you know, I don't want to make it too cold and, you know, kind of, you know, mess up what the what Dodge set out. Hold on, I gotta check if I'm good. No, I'm not. Just what Dodge set out, you know, because they made these engines to run hot. I don't want to make it run any colder than what technically it should be. So I just want to drop it down a little bit, not too much. So right now, you can see right there, I am at 206 right now, and the car is off right now. So the car is completely off, and right now I'm at 206. So when I'm driving around, it goes up, you know, like 210, 15, 20, whatnot. But I'm gonna go ahead and come back with you guys when I'm gonna go ahead and install it, and I'll show you guys the new coolant temp, because I've seen it go about 185 or so. So yeah, that's what we're doing in today's video, guys. Gonna go ahead and test this out. I'll let you guys know if I, you know, feel anything. All right guys, so you're gonna need a ratchet, an extender if you have a catch can. If you do, you probably won't need one, but you still might. If you have a catch can, you're definitely gonna need an extender and a 13mm socket. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take out these bolts, one, and there's one back there, two, and then that'll be step one, just to take this off. Put a bag down there to catch any coolant that will come out. I'm using a Ziploc bag. You can use a trash bag. Got a little clamp right there, but that's all you need. So we're gonna go ahead and take off these bolts right here, those two bolts. Okay guys, so now that I got it off, I'm gonna take this off. It might be stuck, so you might need to like pull it out, maybe get some pliers to pull it out. Once you do, there should be some more behind it. It might ooze out more, might not, but I'm gonna go ahead and take this out and then install the new one. Okay guys, so I took it out. See, so this is the old one. You see right there, that is the bleeder. So let's look at that one. Okay, bleeder's right there. This is the new one. Okay, the bleeder is right there. So the bleeder has to be facing up. So this one was like this. The bleeder has to go back on top, facing up. Okay, so since this one's tucked in like just right under there, when I put this one in, it's gonna look like that. All right, bleeder has to be on top. Okay guys, so it is installed. Since mine bleeder's right up here, just lines up with this, so I just put it as close to the top as I possibly can. Then we're just gonna go ahead, grab that and bolt it back up here, and then we'll go on from there, guys. All right guys, so the install is done. So all I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna turn on the car, and then when I turn on the car, I'm gonna let it run for about I'm gonna say like a couple seconds, maybe a minute, and then I'm gonna turn it back off, and then I am going to burp the system, get the air out, and then I'm gonna put the coolant that I happen to save or catch in the Ziploc bag and pour it back in there. If you have coolant already, you don't have to do that, but I'd rather do it just because it'll save me a mess to clean up, you know, if it all spills everywhere. So, but I saved it. I think it's easier that way. So I'm gonna turn on the car, let it sit for a minute, and then I'm gonna burp it. Some people don't think that you have to do this. They say that it burps themselves, which is fine, you know what I'm saying? If you do get air in there, it could cause your engine to overheat. I'd rather just play the safe card and just go ahead and burp it, so I don't run into any issues. But I'm gonna turn on the car and I'm gonna show you guys how to burp it right now. All right guys, so I turned on the car. As you guys can see up there, I have no check engine light at all. So like I said, I must have the car idle right now, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to burp it if you choose to go, or if you choose to do that, guys. Okay guys, so this right here, we're gonna go ahead, clamp this, pull it back a little bit. You might hear some air hiss out. If you do, you got some air in your system, and you just pull this out a little bit so you can hear the air hiss out, and then do it a couple times and you should be good to go. And then yeah, that's really about it. I'm gonna grab the Ziploc bag and put it down here, just because, you know, still coolant's gonna come out. But yeah, put your little Ziploc bag, trash bag down here, and then grab some pliers, pull it out to burp your system. All right guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and drive around a little bit, see my new temp. The old thermostat said it was a 203 temp. Now, like I said, it gets hotter than that. Usually summertime it'd be about 120, 122, maybe a little bit less, but around 120 for sure when it's summertime. So right here, it's not summertime just yet, and I get about what, like 210, 215, you guys saw earlier in the video. So let me see now what my new temp will be. All right, so we're driving for a minute. So right now I'm at 197. I've been idle, not a lot, but not a little bit either. So I'm at it keeps going down, 194. It's been as low as, I mean, technically 180, if not a little lower. When you're driving, when I'm actually driving, usually I should be at like at 212 or something like that. But right now I'm been driving. I don't know if you guys can see that, my bad. I'm at 190. That's what I'm at right now. So that's usually kind of where I'm at, 190 while I'm driving, 185, and I have seen 180. But like, if you guys can see, 190 is gonna go up right now, shoot up like 2 degrees, 3 degrees, see? But yeah, I'm usually sitting under 190 when I'm actually driving. When I'm idle, I've seen it go as high as 210. So just be mindful of that. Your temps will go up because the stock one is a 203 thermostat, and I see temps of like 217, 220, which is 17 degrees hotter than what it says it does, right? So this one's a 180, so I should be at what, 17 degrees on top of that. Shit, it's like 197. So yeah guys, you guys will be sitting at about 190 and below while you're actually driving in a, I'm gonna say, semi-hot or pretty hot climate. You'll be sitting under 190 for sure. If it gets really hot outside, you're gonna pass 200 easy, you know what I'm saying? But so far my car has not showed any signs of overheating or anything like that. So just be mindful of that, guys. Like I said, it's a good mod. Like, I'm not, you know, it's 30 bucks, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not like something that you're gonna spend 400 bucks and not notice nothing, you know? So it's just quick 30 bucks, quick install. I mean, so far the temperatures on average are about, I'm gonna say, like at least 15 degrees colder than what it usually is. So that's a plus. Like right now I'm at 197 right now. But yeah guys, overall I think it's good. I'll keep you guys updated if anything does change drastically. I'll keep you guys updated, but that's it for now, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.